Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your OnePlus Nord, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now, let's scroll down and click right here and toggle the parallel apps. And as you can see, currently we got 3 apps that support this mode. So we got the Facebook, Instagram and the Messenger. So we can try to copy the Instagram. Right now it is loading, so we have to wait a little bit. And icon has been created. So right now when we go right here, probably, okay, it is now on our main screen, so we have to enter the menu. So here we got the first Instagram application and there's the second, and we can open one of them, all of them, and try if it is working. Okay, so as you can see, the first application is working. Right now we can log in or just sign in, and right now just close it and try with another one. Click continue, and as you can see right here, it is also working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.